Hello food lovers, and welcome back to Health Channel. If you're managing diabetes, you might feel like your food choices are limited, especially when it comes to meat. But today, we're going to bust that myth wide open. We're diving into the world of delicious, savory meats that not only taste amazing, but can also be a fantastic part of a diabetes-friendly diet. Managing blood sugar doesn't mean you have to say goodbye to flavor. In fact, choosing the right kinds of protein can be a game changer for your health. So, get ready to fire up the grill and tantalize your taste buds. Because we're counting down the top 7 meats that support diabetic health. Before we jump in, let's quickly cover why protein is so important. Unlike carbohydrates, high-quality protein has a minimal impact on your blood sugar levels. It helps you feel full and satisfied, which can prevent overeating and snacking on less healthy options. Protein is also crucial for muscle maintenance and repair, which is vital for overall metabolic health. When you pair protein with fiber-rich veggies and healthy fats, you create a balanced meal that helps stabilize your blood sugar for hours. The key is choosing lean cuts and preparing them in healthy ways. Forget deep frying and heavy sugary sauces. We're talking about grilling, baking, roasting, and stir-frying your way to a healthier, more flavorful life. Ready to get started? Let's unveil our number 7 pick. Coming in at number 7 is turkey breast. This lean poultry is a superstar for a reason. It's incredibly low in fat and carbohydrates, but packed with high-quality protein. A 3-ounce serving of roasted turkey breast contains about 25 grams of protein and less than 1 gram of saturated fat. This makes it an excellent choice for keeping you full without spiking your glucose levels. Turkey is also a great source of essential nutrients like niacin, which plays a role in energy metabolism, and selenium, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. The best part? Turkey is wonderfully versatile. You can roast a whole breast for a Sunday dinner, slice it up for sandwiches on whole wheat bread, toss it into salads, or use ground turkey to make leaner burgers, meatballs, or a hearty chili. Just be sure to choose skinless turkey breast, as the skin is where most of the fat is stored. At number 6, we have the mighty chicken breast. Similar to turkey, skinless chicken breast is a lean protein powerhouse that's a staple in many healthy diets, and for good reason. It's affordable, widely available, and incredibly adaptable to countless recipes. A 3-ounce serving provides around 26 grams of protein, making it an effective tool for appetite control and blood sugar management. Chicken is also rich in B vitamins, particularly B6 and B12, which are essential for nerve function and energy production. When you're living with diabetes, maintaining good nerve health is especially important. To keep it diabetes-friendly, focus on cooking methods like grilling, baking, poaching, or stir-frying. Marinate your chicken in herbs, spices, lemon juice, or a little bit of olive oil to infuse it with flavor without adding excess sugar or sodium. Avoid bottled sauces that are often loaded with hidden sugars and opt for creating your own simple, healthy marinades instead. Let's dive into our number 5 pick. Fish, especially fatty fish like salmon. You might be surprised to see fatty fish on a health list, but these are the good fats we're talking about. Salmon, mackerel, herring, and sardines are bursting with omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. These incredible fats have been shown to reduce inflammation, improve heart health, and may even enhance insulin sensitivity, since people with diabetes are at a higher risk for heart disease. Incorporating omega-3 rich fish into your diet is a brilliant move. Plus, fish is a fantastic source of protein that won't raise your blood sugar. The American Diabetes Association recommends eating fish at least twice a week. Try baking salmon with a sprinkle of dill and a squeeze of lemon, grilling tuna steaks, or adding canned sardines to a salad for a quick and nutritious lunch. It's a delicious way to protect your heart and manage your health. Sliding into our number 4 spot is pork tenderloin. Often called the other white meat, pork sometimes gets a bad rap, but certain cuts are surprisingly lean and healthy. Pork tenderloin is one of the leanest cuts available. comparable to a skinless chicken breast in terms of fat and calories. A 3-ounce serving delivers about 22 grams of satisfying protein. It's also an excellent source of thiamine, a B vitamin crucial for carbohydrate metabolism, helping your body convert the food you eat into energy more efficiently. When preparing pork tenderloin, be sure to trim any visible fat before cooking. It roasts beautifully in the oven with a simple rub of garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. You can also slice it into medallions and pan-sear it for a quick weeknight meal. Just be mindful to avoid processed pork products like bacon and sausage, which are high in sodium and unhealthy fats. Stick to the lean, whole cuts. We're in the top 3. And at number 3, we have grass-fed beef. Yes, you can enjoy a juicy steak. The key is choosing the right kind and the right cut. Grass-fed beef tends to be leaner than its grain-fed counterpart and has a better fatty acid profile, including more heart-healthy omega-3 south and conjugated linoleic acid, or CLA, which has been linked to improved body composition. For a diabetes-friendly choice, opt for lean cuts like sirloin, flank steak, or top round. These cuts deliver a hefty dose of protein, iron, and vitamin B12, which are vital for preventing anemia and maintaining energy levels. Portion control is essential here. A serving size is typically around 3 to 4 ounces, about the size of a deck of cards. Pair your steak with a large portion of non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, asparagus, or a big green salad to create a balanced, blood sugar-friendly meal. Grilling or broiling are excellent cooking methods that allow fat to drip away. Our runner-up, at number 2, is bison. If you haven't tried bison, you're in for a treat. It has a slightly richer, sweeter flavor than beef, but is significantly leaner. Bison meat is a fantastic source of protein, packing around 22 grams per 3-ounce serving, but with fewer calories and less fat than beef. It's also incredibly rich in iron, zinc, and the antioxidant selenium. Because bison are typically raised on open pastures, their meat has a favorable fatty acid profile similar to grass-fed beef. You can use ground bison as a direct substitute for ground beef in burgers, meatloaf, or pasta sauce for a leaner, yet still hearty option. Bison steaks are also delicious when grilled or pan-seared. Its lean nature means it cooks faster than beef, so be careful not to overcook it to keep it tender and juicy. It's a fantastic way to switch up your protein routine while supporting your health goals. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The number 1 meat to support diabetic health is shellfish, particularly shrimp and scallops. This might come as a surprise, but hear me out. Shellfish, like shrimp, are almost pure protein. A 3-ounce serving of cooked shrimp provides about 20 grams of protein with virtually no carbs and very little fat. They're also a great source of iodine, selenium, and astaxanthin, a unique antioxidant that gives shrimp its pink color and has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Scallops are another excellent choice, offering a similar nutritional profile with a sweet, delicate flavor. The concern over cholesterol in shrimp has largely been debunked for most people, as dietary cholesterol has a minimal effect on blood cholesterol levels compared to saturated and trans fats. The best way to enjoy shellfish is steamed, grilled, or stir-fried. Toss them with zucchini noodles and a light garlic sauce, or thread them onto skewers with colorful bell peppers and onions for a perfect, healthy barbecue. So there you have our top 7 delicious and savory meats that can be a wonderful part of a healthy diet for managing diabetes. From turkey and chicken to salmon and shrimp, you have so many fantastic options to explore. Remember, the key principles are choosing lean cuts, practicing portion control, and using healthy cooking methods. Always aim to balance your plate with plenty of non-starchy vegetables, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates to create a meal that's both satisfying and stabilizing for your blood sugar. Eating with diabetes is not about deprivation. It's about making smart, informed, and delicious choices. Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope this list inspires you to get creative in the kitchen and enjoy all the amazing flavors that food has to offer. Which of these meats is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you in the next video.